This is a demonstration of the remote teleoperation and remote workflow recording features of the Talos workstation. You can see I have the operator view, which is just a web page in a browser on my laptop. I also have the Talos pendant on my phone, again, just a web page in the phone browser. And what I'm doing here is moving the arm around. I'm opening and closing the gripper. I have started recording a workflow here, and I'm going to pick up this piece, switching from the different camera views on the operator view in my browser while I'm doing the controls from my phone. And my phone is just using a normal mobile internet service, and I'm controlling the robot from thousands of miles away. And here you're going to see I'm going to look where I'm placing the part down, again manipulate the arm, and open the gripper and drop the piece. And I'm going to end recording of the workflow after I have dropped the piece off. And that has created a workflow that anyone else can play